guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making crispy waffle, guys. I'm going to add 2 pieces of egg. Mix it the egg first. And then I'm going to add 95 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to add 500 grams of rice flour and 250 grams of starch. Mix it a little bit first, guys. And I'm going to add 400 milliliters of coconut milk. I pour it little by little first. Mix it first. I add more coconut milk. Mix it well. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter. The butter have to be melted first, guys, and then mix it with the flour. Mix it well first. And now I'm going to add half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well first, guys. Okay, good enough now. I'm going to fry it right now. I'm going to put some oil. Have to use middle heat, guys, so I put 3.5. Don't use high heat, guys, okay? I put waffle mold in the oil first, guys, and wait until the waffle mold getting really hot first. Wait like 3 minutes. Now take the waffle mold, put it on the flour. Don't put it too deep, guys, just like that on the top, okay? And fry it now. Take it out. Going to flip it. So when already turn like a little bit brown, guys, mean it's already cooked, so you have to take it out. Okay. Now I'm going to do the second one, do the same thing like the first one. Don't put it too deep, okay, guys? Just on the top, just like that, and fry it now. Take it out. Going to flip it. When already turn a little bit brown, mean already cooked, guys. You have to take it out, okay? And now I'm going to fry the third one. Do the same thing. Remember, don't put too deep, okay, guys? Only on the top, just like that, okay? And fry it now. Take it out. Going to flip it now. So when already turn a little bit brown, mean already cooked, you have to take it out, guys, okay? Finally, all done, guys. I fry all of them. I'm going to put in the container right now. But before I put in the container, I'm going to try first, okay, guys? It's very crispy, guys. It's not too sweet, but it tastes really, really good. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget subscribe me, like and share, and I will see you next Tuesday. Thank you guys. Have a good evening. Bye, guys.